Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. On this session, I will present material regarding the function of the human brain in regulating physical, cognitive, and emotional activities as well as motor control and homeostasis. Next, background scientifically, the brain plays a role that extends beyond mere thinking. It regulates various bodily reaction working in synergy with the spinal cord. The brain receives signal from sensor organ, progress them and generates response, such as movement, speech, self-control, or the maintenance of vital organ function. Consequently, the study of brain function is crucial for uncovering the relationship between neural structure, human behavior, and the balance of bodily function. Cortical regions, particularly the frontal lobe and prefrontal cortex, regulate X-level cognitive functions such as attention, working memory, planning, decision making, and impulse control. These are integrates information from within and outside the body to formula appropriate behavior, fear, and evaluate risks and benefits. Cognitive progresses from interrogation brain network. Objective number 1: understanding how the brain functions as the body control center. 2. Comprehending the mechanism of thinking, the emergence of emotional memory for formation and stand of consciousness. 3. Explaining the progress of learner and the development of cognitive abilities. 4. Aiding in the maintenance of brain health and the prevention of nervous system disorders. 5. Serving as a foundation for advancement in medicine, education, and neuroscience. Introduction. The brain is the most complex organ in the human body, acting as the control center for nearly all bodily activities beyond regulating movement and physical reaction. The brain is also involved in thinking, learning, memory, storing, emotional processing, and the interpretation of environmental stimuli. Given its extensive scope of function, the brain is often regarded as the seat of consciousness and the governing center of human life. Anatomical, the brain is divided into several major sections. Each with its specific role. The cerebrum is the large part responsible for intellectual functions such as thinking, speaking, writing, remembering, decision making, and processing sensory information. It comprises the frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital lobes, which control behavior, sensory perception, hearing, language, and vision. In contrast, the cerebrum plays a role in regulating breath, movement, coordination, and the precision of motor activity. This succinct definition of the brain. The brain is located within the cranial cavity and surface, and as the control center for all human bodily activity. Biologically, it is composed of billions of interconnection neurons capable of recalling, processing, and transmitting information to various parts of the body. To its crucial function, the brain is often referred to as the body coordination center. Together with the spinal cord from the central nervous system, it is a vital organ that determines a person's ability to think, feel, move, and adapt to their environment. In short, without the brain, the body cannot perform its basic function in an ordinary manner. The brain function are highly diverse as the organ regulates almost all human life progress. In general, the brain serves as the control center for body movement, thinking, emotion, memory, and the processing of sensory stimuli. Some of the brain's primary functions are 1. Regulating the body voluntary and involuntary movement. to processing information from the five senses: hearing, smell, touch, and taste. 3. Controlling cognitive abilities such as thinking, learning, language, and problem solving. 4. Regulating emotional notification and behavior. 5. Storing and retrieving information through memory process. 6. Controlling vital functions such as breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure via specific regions of the brain. Number 1. Cerebrum. The cerebrum is the last part of the brain and controls conscious progress. It is responsible for thinking, remembering, speaking, learning, reading, and decision making. The cerebrum is divided into several main lobes. And 1. Frontal lobe plays a role in thinking, planning, emotioning, decision making, and voluntary movement. 2. Parietal lobe play a role in the reception of stimuli related to touch, temperature, and pressure, as well as spatial orientation. 3. Temporal lobe plays a role in hearing, language, and memory. 4. Occipital lobe. The corpus callosum is a large body of the nerve fiber connecting the left and right hemispheres of the brain. The enabling the brain exchange of information between the two senses. The connection is crucial for ensuring that the brain hemispheres do not operate in isolation but instead coordination with one another during activation such as thinking, speaking, moving, and responding to stimuli. For instance, when the right hand works, the left hemisphere typical movement, language, and fine motor skill and communication with the right hemisphere via the corpus callosum. Thus, the corpus callosum serves as the primary brain connecting the two brain hemispheres. 3. Cerebral cortex. The cerebral cortex is the outer layer of the cerebrum, rich in neuronal body and synapses. It functions as a center for expansion information processing. This area plays a vital role in complex cognitive functions and reasoning, cognition, the interpretation of stimuli, and decision making. Interests with the cerebrum, the cortex serves as the active surface where the majority of thought, progress, and perception occur. The refer in the cerebrum is likened to a main computer. The cerebral cortex is the component that performs much of the analytical processing. The thalamus expands as a filter and relay station, directing nearly all sensory information to the appropriate area of the brain. Almost all sensory input with the sensation of smell typical patient through the thalamus before being forwarded to the cerebrum for further processing. The thalamus plays a crucial role in connection forms various brain regions, functioning much like a relay station between the body and the cerebrum. Without the thalamus, the ability to process sensation, maintain attention, and generate conscious response will be impaired. 5. Hypothalamus. Location beneath the thalamus. The hypothalamus is responsible for maintaining the body internal balance, homeostasis. These regions control the body temperature, hunger, and their sleep patterns, emotion, blood pressure, and various hormonal expansion. The hypothalamus also serves as a key link between the nervous system and the endocrine system in receives signal from the brain and monitors the body condition, regulating the pituitary gland to coordinate response that maintain bodily stability. 6. Pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is located at the base of the brain and is often referred to as the master gland because it produces hormones that control other glands. It functions especially influenced by the hypothalamus, meaning the two work in tandem. The connection between the pituitary gland and other part of the brain is crucial for regulation of metabolism, reproduction, function, and the stress response. Thus, when the hypothalamus sends a signal, the pituitary gland acts open in by receiving hormones throughout the body. 7. Pons.
The pons is a section of the brain system that serves as a link between the cerebellum, and medulla. This structure plays a role in controlling breathing, sleep patterns, facial movement, hearing, and balance. In terms of cognitivity, the pons transmit nerve impulse between the upper and lower region of the brain. Subsequently, the pons is essential for coordinating motor function and vital automatic processes. Reticular activating system. The reticular activating system is a network of neurons in the brain system. Activating system. The reticular activating system atau RAS is a network of the neuron in the brain system that plays a role in regulating levels of consciousness, alarm state, and the sleep wake cycle. This system keeps the brain responsive to important stimuli and reduces activity during sleep. The RAS is closely linked connecting to the thalamus and cerebellum. Determinants the brain region to process information is the RAS is impaired. A person may experience a decline in consciousness, difficulty focusing, or sleep problems. 9. Medulla. The medulla oblongata or medulla in the lowest part of the brain system and controls vital autonomic functions and breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, and swallowing, as well as relax, like counting or sneezing to its physical role. The map to the medulla can be fatal. The medulla also suffers and direct link between the brain and the spinal cord, enabling the flow of impulse between the brain and the body. It works in conjunction with the pons and other brain system structure to maintain basic life function. The cerebellum is responsible for balance, movement, coordination, precision of movement, and postural adjustments.
The relative shift between its parts. The various parts of the brain complement one another rather than operating in isolation. They work in mutual support. For instance, when a person intends to move their hand, the cerebellum formulates the movement plan. The cerebral cortex handles the conscious command, and the corpus callosum facilitates coordination between the two brain hemispheres, after which signal are transmission via neural pathway to the moods. Regarding the reception of stimuli, the thalamus acts as a major lining for sensory information relating into the cerebral cortex for interpretation, while the hypothalamus assists with the stimulus, trigger physiological responses such as stress, hunger, or change in body temperature. Simultaneous, the reticular activating system maintains level of consciousness and alertness to ensure effective information progressing. The connecting between the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland is crucial, as the hypothalamus regulates the release of pituitary hormones and thereby enable the nervous and endocrine system to function in an interrupted manner. Meanwhile, the pons and medulla from the brain, which govern basic life function, and the cerebellum ensure that movement commands by the cerebellum are executed smoothly and with proper balance. The brain functions as the body's control center, operating in an integrated manner, being composed of various specialist parts. The cerebellum and cerebral cortex process trauma, consciousness, memory, language, and sensory presentation, will also controlling voluntary movement. Meanwhile, the corpus callosum connects the two brain hemispheres, enabling the exchange of information between sides. The thalamus acts as a relay center for sensory information destined for the cortex, whereas the hypothalamus maintains the body internal balance by regulating temporal, hunger, and emotion, and well as controlling hormones via the pituitary gland. The brain comprising the pons the reticular activating system, and the medulla regulating basic life function. The pons facilitate communication between brain region and half regular brain. The reticular activating system controls level of alkalineness, and the medulla regulates respirance, heart rate, blood pressure. The cerebellum is responsible for balance, coordination, movement precision, and posture, and sensory smooth motor activity. Both part of the brain interacts with the working in isolation. Sensory information is typically relayed by the thalamus to the cortex for processing. The roots of this processing then is influence motor response, emotional, and other battery function coordinately with the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, brainstem, and cerebellum. Consequently, the make to on air can affect other to the functional interconnection between brain regions that sustain bodily function and daily consciousness. That concludes my presentation. Please expand my apologies for shortcomings. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.